Hi guys! So today, tayo ay mag-unbox. So, nakikita nyo naman, in-open na natin ang box and let's see what's inside. Yan yung wheels, yung tray, yung pentagonal bracket, backrest, cushion, T-back bar, headrest, armrest, rod, insert the wheel directly into the base with force. Directly insert the air rod into the base. Remove the 4 pre-installed screws at the bottom of the seat cushion. Install the tray to the bottom of the seat. Insert the cushion with tray directly into the air rod. Remove 3 pre-installed screws from the backrest. Install the T-bar on the backrest. Insert the back of T-back bar directly into the hole of tray and press down the backrest to insert the T-bar to the end. Install left and right handrails in turn. Note that handrails are divided left and right. Tie each pillow to the back of the back in turn. The finished produkto!